He's gonna save someone this time. Keep an eye on the map.
Understood.
The gun represents justice. Launch attack. Pointing at the bad guys. That one little girl is gonna save. Double kill. Shine. Triple kill. Maniac. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the bad guys.
Lovely.
Savage. Request backup. That once little girl who saved someone. Request backup. The gun represents a double kill. Double kill. That once little girl is gonna save someone. Destroy the turret. Request backup. Okay, the gun represents justice. Legendary. Pointing at that backup. Launch attack. Request backup. One little girl is gonna save someone. Request backup. Launch attack. Destroy the turret. Ally has been slain. Request backup. An ally has been slain. Request backup. The gun represents justice. When pointing at the ally has slain Lord. Request backup. That once little girl is gonna save someone. Launch attack. Okay. Launch attack. An ally has been slain. Okay. Push first. Okay. Launch attack. Your team destroyed a turret. Request backup. Okay. The gun represents justice. Request backup. Okay. Bad guys.
Boleh jam long man.
An enemy has been slain. Double kill. An enemy has been slain. That once little girl is gonna save someone. You have slain an enemy. You have been slain. Come back. Launch attack. Foot first.
Understood.
Ananda. Ananda.
Victory!
Panalo na naman.
Ano mo, wala nakaraan. Kung may nga bulyo. May order pa rin. Sabi ko baka may iba kang napipindot yan.
Baka nakamute.
Ano, hindi ko nga alam doon. Hindi namin alam kung paano. Ano sabi namin yan, ikaw lang makakakalikot niyan. Baka naman yan.
Wala man.
Naman, bakit kaya? Nagasalita siya. Ayos.
Tapos bigla nawala.
Oo. Hindi. Yung pag-upina namin ni Kwan ay di ba nawala sa signal. Pinaayos ko kay Kuya Miguel. Yung pag-ayos na yun, wala nang nagasalita ba? Yung pag-ayos na ang signal doon. Wala nang nagasalita.
Wala pa.
Baka may iba kang alam na.
Bakit yun? Ano ginawin kay Joel?
Yun doon ang ginalaw niya. Hindi dyan.
Wala, hindi mo kanya.
Ginalaw niya lang yun doon ba?
Hindi maano. Wala, dyan lang yun.